Oh, 180. Oh, not so far. Nope. Just, oh yeah, now you're good. Reverse. Here, actually, do you want to follow it with the camera? Here, Connor, just side to side, follow it with the, Connor. Here, you want that? Camera. So just like, I got the height set.
Yeah.
The battery will probably die sometime soon. Oh, sorry. And then just follow it like side to side, no up and down.
Okay.
I know what that is. Hopefully it floats back. Crap.
What is it?
It's the prop.
Rip.
No, it's like the whole shaft. It won't. It shouldn't fall out. Do we have any super long?
Super long sticks.
I mean, I got one, but it ain't
We
that
can break off one of those tree branches.
And we should, honestly, it should float back because if you look at all the waves.
Yeah.
But should I go run up and grab my flip flops and shorts? Yo, what's that metal bar? Just an ironic metal pipe. Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? Just a metal pipe.
How is this gonna work?
I don't think it's long enough.
And even then, we can't.
Oh, wait, I got it.
You're gonna put it on the bottom against the wall. It's close, but not quite.
I think it's worth a little further. So, should I go run up and grab the flip flops?
Yeah, probably. While you do that, I'll probably pick it
Wait,
back.
actually, Connor.
What?
Here.
You might want to turn off your camera.
Whatever. Yeah. Yes, please.
How? How? I don't work cameras at all.
There's a red. Is it still recording? Like, does
Yeah.
it say?
Yeah.
Okay, then hit the red button on the top right. Oh, damn, maybe we should take my watch off.
That'd probably be good.
Yeah, it's drifting out. I don't even care. I can't feel my toes. Or anything else. Oh my god. Bird of boat. You know what? Guess I can just walk out. That prop's still there, but I can't feel my legs.
Grab the metal pipe.
What?
Grab the metal pipe, it's littering.
I really can't feel my feet. We'll fix that after, but good, because now I can't feel all this stuff jabbing into my feet. Ferda boat.
For the boat.
Okay, I'm glad this is fun.